Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If y'all haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get straight into the video. So today, as y'all seen from the title, we are going to be changing me into Aaliyah J. I'm gonna put the picture right here, or maybe like two pictures depending on what I found of her and like what she looks like on a regular, or like her Instagram things, you know, mostly stuff that I can see myself kind of looking like, because I'm not gonna put something that's like green hair and then I'm gonna try to, I don't have a green wig, so yeah, I'm gonna put right here the things. But so let's talk about what I already did. So I did my eyebrows already, and then I did my concealing because I had some scars up here, long story. And I tried right there, didn't really happen, but and I did my chin because I'm having a little breakout right there and that's not okay for me. So I concealed already, and I did my brows because those take the longest because you really want those to be precise. What I'm gonna do off camera is go ahead and put these in. These are my clip-ins from Kendra's Boutique that I made from bundles. If y'all want a video on how y'all can make clip-ins, I can do that too, because I need, of course, content for my channel, and that's something y'all want to see. So I'm like really red and it's throwing me off. But yeah, I'm gonna just hurry up, go off camera and put these in and see what I get. Okay, so I have the clip-ins in now, and I curled the ends a little bit. I left my hair alone because it's just like, but if by the end of the video, like, it needs more curling, I'll commit to it. But I couldn't decide, like, her hair, she has one picture that's like this, and like she has a black silk robe, and I have, of course, I can put my hair up like this, and then it's just in the back though, so you really wouldn't be able to tell that I don't have a clip-in right there. But yeah, so she has one that's like this, and then she has a picture, of course. I don't know if I'm gonna put the pictures in the beginning, but she has a picture that's like a middle part. So I'm just gonna have to figure out which one. But for now, like, I think we're just gonna go put it up, just to put it up for now. Okay, so my hair doesn't really want to stay up, so if it's falling down while I'm like recording, ignore it. But I have my makeup products right here, and I'm just gonna get started. So stay tuned and watch what I do. Don't bash me in the comments if I don't look like her. Clearly, I'm not her. Clearly, she has a different nose than me. She has a different face than me. She has different everything than me. But we're gonna try. We're just gonna do it. It's all fun and games, right? Ooh. So she does her eyes after that, but she's not wearing any eye makeup. So I know what I'm gonna do. I am gonna put the concealer on there. Oh, this is the concealer I use to conceal my brows, conceal my color. It just really matches my skin tone pretty well. This is what I use. It's the NYX full coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna use, where's that brush? I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna just put some on my eyelids. It just looked like she used what was up here and like dragged it down. So we're gonna do the same. And if that's not what she did, sorry, it looked like it. How about I not be so far away? I have my mirror right here, so I'm like trying to do both, but this is what I have right now. I have a damp beauty blender. I have a damp beauty blender right here, and I'm gonna, of course, blend that all in. That's how I feel when my eyes are concealed, like they're just so little. Okay. Don't want to make a mess. Clearly, I'm not used to doing my makeup on camera because I just highlighted under my eye and started working when I usually do like the whole kill, like all of that. I like a ghost pen on the picture. I'm gonna need some more. Like, I'm gonna need to warm myself up because I'm like, I don't know if I look one color, if I look gray, or I need to hurry up and contour so I could be tan. Okay, so I'm gonna add the cool tan. So we're gonna add some of this. Like I said, it's the cool tan. I didn't even do my freaking bridge yet. The bridge of my nose. I look different. I'm so dramatic. Like, I'm literally the most dramatic person. Let me see. I just haven't seen myself like this in so long. Like, especially since we haven't been able to go nowhere, but I'm not even done yet. Do my forehead. Make it a little smaller. Should I do my chin? Does it anyways. It looks good, but it's not giving me Aaliyah, and that's because I'm not her. But I don't want this video to just be, oh, you tried. Now I'm gonna bake and decide if I need to switch this title to turn myself into an Insta baddie or what? Because I don't know how it's going right now. I just feel like I'm doing my makeup. Bruh. Okay, so I need to fix my eyeliner. I just want to zoom in. It gets closer to the camera, so I want to zoom in. But I'm going to put my lashes on now. In the style Diamond from royalluxlashbar. There's the right side. Yeah. I never do this eye first. That's so weird. Okay. So that's Diamond. And I'm going to put the second one on. Oh, I forgot to put mascara on. But, okay. So that's my eyes. I'm just going to brush those up. Oh, that's how I can fix my eyeliner. Yep. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on that brush. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put some on the bottom. No, let me line my lashes. Let me actually see if she has hers lined. Did I just... Oh. No, I need... Okay. Pick one thing. I'm going to fix the lashes. Fix my eyeliner first. And then let's see if there's any left. If not, I'll dip back in. There was some left. Okay. But this one's like not as pointed as the other one. I don't like that. Ooh, I'm just going downhill with it. We're gonna leave it alone. That's what it's looking like so far. And I'm gonna fix the out corner over here because I definitely ran out over there. Oh, that looks so much better. Like now it's darker. Okay. Oh, that looks much better. Don't need that much. Okay. That looks so much better. But, okay. So that's my eyes. Okay, y'all, so I'm switching to vlog mode right now because I switched my background because I want to take the pictures, of course. And she had a white background and she had this robe on, so I was like, let me just do it. But my freaking camera ran out of storage, so I had to I keep saying freaking, but I had to finish my makeup off camera and then come back to y'all and show y'all what it's looking like. So this is what I came up with. I'm gonna put her picture next to mine just to see if y'all can see the gist I was going for. And I'm like, oh, I could try to look like that. So I'm gonna take pictures and then I'm gonna insert them at the end and show y'all what it looked like.